Hello. Aww.
Oh, this is
I'm back.
Better. Oh,
I return. Tino! Say hello. Thank you, Tino. So basically, guys, I am in Ibiza right now and I'm with my mom, taking her for a nice day out. We're having breakfast right now. Look at the views. Big vibes. I was just sitting at home in London as soon as I got back and was looking outside the window and it was raining, and I thought what better time to just go to Ibiza really quick. It cost me like £100. I got like a Ryanair terrible flight, but it was like £100, and then now at least I can come and see my mum for a few days. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and then I'm taking her to the spa so we can have some bonding time.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm going to show you a little bit of the spa, where we are at right now, because we are like in the middle of some, we're literally in the middle of nowhere at some spa that my mum found, and basically I thought I'd take her for a day out. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm going to show you the spa right now, show you what we are doing, and yeah, catch a vibe. Big vibe?
Big vibe.
Anyways, guys, just had an amazing, chilled, relaxed day at the spa. We're about to leave right now, but honestly, it was like the best thing, just doing nothing all day. Laying in the pool, going in the sauna, chilling out with my mom, spending some time with her. But anyway, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna play you the video of me buying my watch, which I've had for a couple months now, and I never really like intended to use the footage. Like, I've had this footage for like 2-3 months now and just never posted it. But the video I just posted about how I make my money, like so many of you were messaging me and DMing me and commenting on my video like, yo, that video really inspired me and it made me want to do so much more and stuff like that. And those comments really made me feel amazing, and I thought maybe I can do the same thing with this video. Maybe I can make you strive to want to do whatever the hell you do even more just by you watching this video. And maybe you're the same age as me and you're like, damn, I want to be doing those things, or I want to do this for my parents, or whatever it is. I'm just rambling here, but whatever it is, maybe this video can inspire you in some way. So I'm gonna play the video of me buying my $50,000 watch. Enjoy. Oh, and subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Enjoy. It's a year on now. What a vibe, people. I just looked at my Rolex video, and well, we are about a year on, a year and 2 months, and we are back with pretty much the same intro. I'm on the way to the bank because we are doing a crazy purchase, the biggest purchase of my entire life. So you already know we had to bust out a Gucci poncho just for the big drip. But guys, the bank. I booked in a collection to collect some cash, 17.5.
Would you like a receipt for that?
Cheers. Yes, please. Thank you. What? And that's why I use the new Supreme bag. Fits everything. Everything you ever need in your little shoulder bag fits perfectly. So that is phase one. And now we are going to the jeweler right now. We're in Hatton Garden, and basically about a year on, we are doing a major upgrade from that initial Rolex video. So guys, we are going into the jeweler right now. Paris Jewels, exactly the same people who I got my Rolex from. And basically, you're gonna see what I'm about to buy. It's actually a madness. Ooh. And we return. How are you?
Good.
Good, thank you. So basically, people, if you didn't know, I actually never made a video on this watch that I got. But it's going. It is going, and it's disappearing.
Liar!
I swear. So I'm getting rid of this one.
I've just heard. Honestly, I don't know what to say.
What do you mean? It's going.
I'm horrified.
So now I'm looking at these two as well, which is like, there's a Cartier love bracelet and a Cartier pin too, because the new watch is going to be rose gold. So I can't really wear like the stainless steel bracelets anymore. So basically, look at that. Audemars.
Is it heavy? Oh no.
Yeah, so much heavier. Okay, so around a year ago, this is my first ever watch. This is the Rolex. Two-tone Submariner with a blue kit. That was the first one. And then, hopefully you saw that video. And then the second one was this AP stainless steel, black face, no chronograph. But I didn't actually make a video on it. I don't know why. So these were the two watches. This was the watch rotation. But now, we are going full... Don't even know what to say, really. What a lie. Okay, let me put this on real quick. It's so heavy, like compared to this one. Obviously this is steel and this is gold, but like this is just like completely different level, basically. How's it look?
Amazing. It looks so nice with your skin tone.
It's just been like polished like immaculately. Amazing. You see inside.
Show them up
Basically
close.
just completely immaculate. How's it look on the camera?
Juicy.
So yeah, basically, saying goodbye to the Rolex. We're saying goodbye to the stainless steel AP. Yeah, we have a new watch now.
What a journey.
That's midday today.
Is it good?
And then lock the crowning, like so. And
Yes,
start on the top one.
And then
Stop.
that's a minute.
Stop on the same one, and to reset
To
it,
reset
bottom
the
push up.
bottom one.
Always start and stop. Don't try and reset it while it's still
Yeah,
going,
whilst it's going.
because you can damage the inside, damage the movement. So it starts on the top.
That's a minute timer.
Yep. Imagine Usain Bolt's about to break the world record again. There we go. 8.9 seconds.
Papers there.
So you have the papers, obviously. Make sure everything is okay. Then you got the crazy wooden green box. And then Heaven Sound. What a natural vibe. There you go.
Harry, give it a wipe. Give it a wipe. Get your finger marks off.
Anyway, the upgrade. So have this little Supreme bag here, and yeah, need to pay basically. So here we go. Huh? No fine. Yeah. Next stage is you have to buy a house, people. Have to buy a little flat, something like that. Look like this. The vibe. Wow. Do you know the money phone? I'm the new rapper now, Ari Petru. Lil Ari Petru. What's that? And sorry Dad, this is not your stuff. 41mm. Audemars Piguet. Royal Oak. Rose Gold chronograph.
There's quite a bit.
With the black
It's like
face.
buying a car.
It's the top of the top that you could possibly get. That's it. Let's do it. See you later.
See you.
Bye bye. And peeps, the deed is done.
Wow.
That shit is so fire, bro.
You're on the vlog, Chris.
Elevate.
Hello, darling.
Oh my god, that's a big boy watch. That shit looks stupid. That shit looks retarded.
But yeah, man, I'm gonna go get my hair cut now. It's a good day. I've been to the gym, got my watch. Now I'm going to go get my hair cut, have some nice food with Natalie. And I am back. Hopefully you did enjoy that video. I'm just gonna outro this video. Anyway, this is the watch that you guys saw me buy now. I've had this for a couple months now, and honestly, it is amazing. It's everything I ever thought it would be. This is a 41mm rose gold Audemars Piguet with a black face and the chronograph. It's insane, and I cannot believe that I ever basically achieved buying something like that. And I just bought this for my birthday. It's a rose gold custom Cartier bracelet with basically a bit of diamonds in there, and yeah, I bought that basically to just complement my watch, and I think they complement each other amazingly. What the hell is this? Imagine I got it shipped to my parents' address because I wanted it for my birthday last week when I was in Ibiza, and it arrived the day I left. What a L, but anyways, at least we have it now. So yeah, these two complement each other amazingly. I don't know if you can see that, hopefully the camera focuses, and then obviously this is the watch on the other wrist. I know some people who are gonna watch this video be like, yo, how the hell does this 19-year-old afford all this stuff? How did I just afford this watch? How did I just afford this? And I'm actually 20 now. This video was recorded a couple months ago. As I said, I kept the footage on, and now I'm 20, but I just posted a video on how the hell I make all my money. It's actually my most recent video. So if you were asking that question, if you didn't see that video and you're watching this video, then go back, watch that video. It is linked down below, and I'm gonna have it on the screen somewhere at the end of the video as well. Hopefully you were inspired a little bit by this video, and I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Obviously, if you like this video, I want you to smash a like on it. Obviously, if you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe, but also I want you to comment something that you want to achieve. If it's buying something, if it's buying a watch like I just did, or if it's buying a house, if it's buying a car. If you're younger, maybe it's just you want to afford these pair of trainers that you can't afford and you're saving up right now and you're working a little job, or if you want to buy this certain bag that you've been saving up for. Whatever the hell it is, whatever you are striving towards, I want you to comment it down below, and I'm going to be checking them all out. If it's a new car that you want, maybe you're a bit of an older viewer that watches me, maybe it's a car that you really want, or you want to put a down payment on a house, whatever the hell it is, I want you to comment down below. So yeah, go to the comment section down below and comment something that you really want to achieve, something you want to strive towards to achieve it. It could be anything, as I said, but just go down there, comment below, and hopefully you can achieve it. And when you do achieve it, come back to this video and maybe just comment achieved it. Maybe it's a year on, maybe it's 2 years on, maybe it's next week, who the hell knows, but hopefully it will start something cool down there in the comment section. So go and do that. Smash a like on this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and yeah, it's been your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hype beast, Giza Army. I appreciate you all. Peace out.